In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your company settings in QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through the essentials, so your invoices, reports, and tax forms all display the right information. You'll make these changes once, and they'll carry through your entire file. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Online. In the upper right corner, click the gear icon to open the settings menu. From there, choose Account and Settings. This opens a window with tabs on the left. Make sure the Company tab is selected. First, update your company name. Click the small pencil next to the company section, type the name exactly as you want customers to see it, and use clear capitalization. If your public brand name differs from your registered name, keep the customer-facing name here, consistent with your logo and website. Next, update your address. Enter a complete mailable street address, including suite or unit numbers. This is what prints on sales forms and appears on many reports. Double-check the city, state, and postal code for accuracy. If you see multiple address lines, keep them tidy and avoid special characters that can break formatting. Now, review your email. Choose a monitored inbox for your company email and customer-facing email so replies don't get missed. A dedicated accounting or billing inbox can help keep conversations organized. After saving, confirm deliveries and adjust spam settings if needed. Add your EIN or SSN in the tax ID field. Enter it exactly as issued and verify each digit before saving. This identifier feeds into payroll, 1099s, and other compliance documents, so accuracy matters. Limit e-access to admins you trust and avoid sharing the number outside secure channels. Enter your legal address as well. This should match your government and tax registrations and is often used on year-end filings. It can be different from the customer-facing address, especially if you operate from multiple locations or use a mail service for correspondence. When everything looks right, click Done to save. QuickBooks will apply your updates across invoices, estimates, purchase forms, and core reports. If you spot anything off later, just return to Account and Settings and make quick edits. With these essentials set, you're ready for clean, consistent documents and smoother bookkeeping.